Now, what is an anti-reverse switch? Let me show you really fast. A lot of the reels that you get nowadays will have anti-reverse, but a lot of the newer ones are trying to get away from it. See, this is the anti-reverse switch here. See that? Because a long time ago they used to use this feature when with the wind, and they would handline the live dead baits out by using this feature. That's kind of obsolete nowadays, but because of nostalgic remembrance, I guess is what it is, that people still like this. It's not needed because that's a port for water intrusion right there. So nowadays when I pick a reel, I try to get away from this, but it's hard because a lot of the reels out there still have this feature. But just be aware that if you have a anti-reverse switch, you're going to have an open port. So just be aware, even when you rinse off your gear, that's still water getting into your unit. So just be aware of that, guys. Thank you.